Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, the Chris Voss Show. Hey, coming here with a really cool product, and of course this is one of my favorite speaker companies in the world. These guys make beautiful, elegant, gorgeous, just exceptional sounding bookshelf speakers, and they do an incredible job of it. You can go to audioengineusa.com, that's Audioengine USA. These are their A5 Plus wireless speakers. They're powerful audiophile grade wireless speakers. So pretty cool. Now, we've reviewed a number of Audioengine products in the past. We've always loved their products. They do such a beautiful, beautiful job. Not only do their products look, feel, and weigh immaculate, most of them are very heavy, but they also have just the most richest dynamic of sound when it comes to super, super bass. Beautiful, huge, warm mid-range, and just bright highs. They balance it just perfectly. Now you can get these in three different types of color finishes, if you will, different types of wood, black satin, etc. And they just look awesome. The feel of them is awesome. We'll get into some more of that. Now it comes with built-in analog class AB monoblock power amplifiers. Solid aluminum remote control. These things feel really heavy, the speakers. High fidelity advanced Bluetooth with aptX. Simplified setup, extended range, and 24-bit unsampling. How about that? It's got RCA and mini jack audio inputs, front panel volume control, variable preamp audio output, gold-plated connectors, full-size 5-way speaker binding posts, custom Kevlar woofers and silk tweeters, hand-built MDF wood cabinets, and magnetically shielded. It's an advanced tune cabinet with rear-ported waveguide and a standalone 1/4 threaded insert in the bottom. You can put this on a stand if you wanted, and it comes with the cables included. So how about them apples? So you get a chance there to hear the richness of sound as best as our microphones could pick it up. But let me tell you, the sound is exceptional and mind-blowing and just super, super warm and rich. So basically with these, you've got 2.0 powered active bookshelf style speaker system. This thing will run with a amplifier type of dual class AB monolithic. It's got drivers of a 5-inch Kevlar woofers and 3/4 inch silk dome tweeters, and it just sounds exceptional. You've got output current limiting thermal protection, so that anything happens, you can take and control, what happens that way. It's got an internal digital to analog converter. It's got an input bit depth method with Bluetooth of 24 bits unsampled, and it runs on Bluetooth 4.0 audio. And it has a wireless range of up to 100 feet. So definitely an extended range. It's got that wonderful antenna on the end of it. And away you go. These things are heavy. 15.4 pounds for the big one that has all the stuff in it. And 9.6 pounds for the right speaker. Anyway, I got to tell you, these are some of the best sounding speakers I've ever heard in my life. Just beautiful, beautiful bookshelf speakers. Audioengine, we reviewed all their products and always impressed with their consistency of quality and consistency of quality sound. So I highly recommend you go check them out. Go to audioengine.usa.com and check out the A5 Plus wireless speakers.
Oh, hi. Hi, you watched that video all the way through? Good for you. You're a big boy now. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can click on any of the videos that surround me, and if there are any, you might want to check if you've been drinking. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us. See you next time. I think they've been drinking.